Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix JoyToKey when your controller is not working in a game. First, close JoyToKey completely. Then, find the JoyToKey shortcut or executable file, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. This gives JoyToKey higher permissions, which can help when a game is also running with administrator privileges and is blocking simulated keyboard input. Next, let's check if JoyToKey is receiving input from your controller. Open JoyToKey and go to Settings, then Configure Joysticks and select Configure Game Controller Property. Make sure your controller appears there and that Windows can detect it properly. Now, test your JoyToKey profile outside the game. Open Notepad and press a controller button that you have mapped to a keyboard key. For example, if your controller button is mapped to the letter A, pressing that button should type A in Notepad. If it works in Notepad, JoyToKey is working, and the problem is most likely related to the game, its focus, or its anti-cheat system. Finally, try changing the launch order. Start the game first, and then open JoyToKey. If that does not work, close both programs, open JoyToKey first, and then launch the game. After trying these steps, test your controller again. Thanks for watching.